Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we kick things off with road construction and technology. In these video clips you will witness some of the greatest, the biggest and most powerful machines doing what they do best. A lot of these machines are constructed from scratch right at the road construction site, and then road construction starts immediately after the machine is up and running. At the final stages of the road or concrete construction, the platform is checked to see if there's anything faulty. Next up, we've got two machines working in harmony with each other to construct a roadway. first machine, as you could see, was responsible for placing the glue substance, and then the second machine was responsible for placing all the stones or rock material to form the roadway. Right here we have an automated bricklayer. This machine places bricks on the ground in an orderly fashion, with no struggle whatsoever. The worker or workers just have to place the bricks in the machine initially. Right here we have a road construction process being displayed from beginning to the very end of the construction process. As usual, you have many different machines carrying out different tasks on the road construction site. Each machine serves a different purpose on the road construction project. Now you can have a look at the finished project and the attention to detail that was taken into account with this roadway project. Up next, we have yet another machine that is carrying out the task of completing another road construction project. The difference with this machine is that it does not really require more machines, as it is able to carry out the project task on its own, with the help of just a few workers, to make sure the machine is running properly and getting the job done. Next up we have an even larger road construction machine. It seems as if the bigger and heavier road construction machines are meant to carry out the project task of bigger or wider roadways, possibly freeways or highways. In some of these video clips you will be able to see and make out the process that the initial road material or rocks are simply just placed within the road construction machine, and the machine does all the rest of the work. Depending on the road structure, other projects would need various different machines to carry out tasks. Human workers are simply there to make sure everything is running properly and smoothly, as I said previously. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you back again on the next video.
𝗬𝗫𝘂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝗏